This is the most fun you can have, fixing your car with a sledgehammer.
Hey Grindhard crew, I'm back in town, which means we're back on these projects.
Oh yeah.
We read a lot of comments about why you guys think the transmission isn't running right on the Tacoma, amongst some other things, and we're gonna do a full walkthrough video today and a maintenance video.
Oh, turn the key on, and then start it up. So as of now, reverse is still forward. We'll put it in drive just to be sure. Well, reverse isn't 100% forward, so that's good. First off, some people have said, oh, it's not that bad, you could fix it. Well, I don't know if you realize how bad this is. If you look at it from above here, it's pushed in like 6 inches. Both A-pillars are cracked.
Yeah.
The roof's mashed.
Yeah, I guess we never really filmed the roof in the last video.
Not to mention, let's go around the other side, it's worse. The frame is rusted through, and you can break off pieces of it with your hand. So, you know, we're gonna fix it for us, but the point is, it's not just a fix and flip.
It's a rock crawler now.
Yeah, it's an off-roader. Yeah. When we say rock crawler, it's gonna be a fast, fun, long travel rock crawler, not like a slow, boring, barely moving at any speed rock crawler. It's gonna be a general purpose off-road rowdy rally truck.
Masterpiece.
Yes.
And then as far as the interior goes, we're just gonna take everything
Take everything out. For now, we'll keep these seats because we don't have any other ones, but we'll get some racing seats that are like waterproof and all that.
Yeah.
And I think we'll keep the fold down rear seats so that we can terrify some passengers.
Yeah.
We need to get some plexiglass and just build ourselves a new windshield.
Yeah.
Lighter weight, easy, cheap.
And our first build ideas is going to be rally cage, front and back bumper.
Which the back bumper is just kind of going to be part of the cage, really. It's not going to be very elaborate.
Some
fenders to keep the mud out of our faces.
Yeah, that'll be important. And then we'll also fix the frame rust, upgrade the suspension eventually.
But that's not
eventually we really want to supercharge it, but we don't have that kind of money right now.
That's down the road. Probably chop the frame off as short as we can make it, right by the, well, it's not that much shorter, but just better departure angle, you know, and then, you know, spare tire mount somewhere about there.
That away.
And cage, all the good stuff.
All right, first things first, let's hit up that oil change.
Yum.
Yeah, it really doesn't look that dirty.
It's really not that bad. It's pretty solid.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's a good time for a change, but
yeah,
because this thing's about to have a very rough life.
We got that transmission fluid filled and we did some gutting. No more carpet, no more anything really. And we found 3 live bullets and about $1.10. So I'm considering that a ground score. For the rollover, we got some pretty serious body damage, and that's one of the supports for the seat. So I think we have the perfect solution for this.
I don't have an actual sledgehammer, but I do have a splitting maul.
That should do it.
Well, we don't have a ton of time, so we're just gonna wire up an ignition switch. Put that up here in the dash so we don't have to keep hot wiring it and bashing the wires with our knees when we're driving.
That looks good.
Yeah, greatly improved starter sequence. That's what you want. I love the off.
Yeah.
And you're not gonna ever like bump that with anything, you know. I was kind of worried about maybe if we had it in an obvious place and you just like oops and turned it off,
but
back
there. Yeah. It won't happen.
I don't know, maybe if we went off a really big jump and got really, really rowdy, gravity would just go, ugh. But unlikely.
That should be a goal of ours.
Get so rowdy it shuts itself off.
Yeah, jump it so high it shuts itself off. Oh.
And we got lots of more room for more switches.
Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna rally it around a little bit, show you guys where we want to put the rally track on the property. And then we're gonna see if we just driving it around gets that ATF fluid going around and maybe helps in some way. All right, I don't know if you guys will be able to hear me, but I'll speak out the rally track as we go. So, we're gonna hit it with this, we're gonna hit it with the skid steer and make it all smooth so we can actually do it fast, but we're just gonna do some laps on it to try to figure out where we want it to go. So, we're starting down the hill here, down by the creek.
Proposed starting line.
Proposed starting line.
Roughly here.
Right before the hill climb. All right, so get a good start, hitting it uphill. Got the branches and no window shield. Sharp left-hand corner into a semi-sharp right hand. Drift around the party bus. Then we're going downhill, and this should be one continuous drift. Into the right-hand corner of the driveway. To a sharp
Hairpin around the tree.
Around the tree, which
A cloud of dust.
that'll probably be common. And then we'll fly downhill. Super fast. And then one more drift, and we're at the beginning again. We gotta get a windshield really soon. I think that should be our next buy. Dude, that was a nice counter steer. That was awesome. Yeah, that corner's about right on the money. So that's the rally track, guys. Let us know what you think.
You know what else we really need is a nice e-brake.
Oh yeah.
Tall e-brake lever.
Especially for that really steep corner around the tree. So that reverse, still forwards, park, just park.
Park still, it won't rev in park. That's weird. I've been rallying hard enough to crack the frame here. Well, what's left of it. It wasn't actually broken through there before, and now it is.
Yeah.
And if you can see, it's like, it's flexed right there. And then if you come around this side, you can see it's like a little bit bowed out right here.
It was just a matter of time.
Yeah. Muffler is really crusty. We're gonna get rid of that, see how it sounds, and then we'll put a better muffler and better everything on it later. "30-second muffler removal."
What should we do for the exhaust?
I don't know. I mean, first off, we'll see how it sounds with a straight pipe. Well, honestly, when we take the rust off, there's not really going to be much left. As you can see, after a little removal and a little rally, the frame's not even connected at all on the bottom anymore. And most of the middle's gone too. It's just from here up that's sort of holding it together.
All right, so we got a code scan on it, and that's not super helpful.
All it has to scan is the engine and the airbag, which are both fine.
All right, we did the scan. We did the ATF fluid. I think we might be looking at a new transmission. All right, well guys, if you got any ideas, we're down to try them, and we have plenty of stuff to work on until we get our transmission, so look forward to those videos.
You.
Peace.